Cybersecurity is a very interesting domain where our students needs to be molded in such a way that they are going to protect our valuable resources, that is data. So at Amrita Chennai campus, we make the students to learn in such a way that they have their analytical ability as well as architectural ability, and this kind of stream thrust upon them ensures that they learn the theoretical aspects as well as the practical aspects perfectly. For example, our labs at Amrita Chennai campus has a very good infrastructure with Kali Linux, Ubuntu and Windows simultaneously can be accessed in a virtualized environment. This enables us to install multiple tools, especially the topmost tools like SolarWinds and Ka IoT and other platforms with which we can able to simulate an cyber environment. So this ensures that the students have a hands-on experience in the present world scenario.